Good evening. I am Kuldeep Kumar with the news of evening. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India is a ray of hope for the world in 21st century. Prime Minister Modi and US President Joe Biden appreciated continuous deepening India and US strategic partnership. Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav calls upon nation at COP27. President Draupadi Murmu releases PESA Act manual for the benefit of tribal on Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. India became the world's second largest producer of the steel. Indian shooters bagged 4 more gold medals at Asian Airgun Championship in South Korea. Now the news in details. Prime Minister Modi has said India is moving with an unprecedented speed and skill today, and country standard technology innovation has made a significant mark in the world. He is addressing an event to the Indian community in Bali, Indonesia. On the headlines of the summit, the Prime Minister Modi meet US President Joe Biden in Bali, Indonesia. During the conversation, the two leaders appreciated the continued deepening of India-US strategic partnership and close cooperation improves, including Quad and I2U2. The two leaders discussed the topical, global and regional development. Prime Minister Narendra Modi thanks Joe Biden for his constant support for strengthening India-US partnership. Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav said this by delivering India's national statement at COP27 in Egypt. He said India has far-reaching new initiative in renewable energy and a vibrant emerging economy. India seeks to lead by example. India has moved up to become second largest producer of steel. Union Minister of Steel Jyotiraditya Sindhu said this during the Steel Conference of State Government in New Delhi today. Speaking about the growth of steel corporation in the country, Mr. Sindhu said in case of installed capacity of steel, the country has more from 100 million tons a year to almost 150 million tons. Mr. Jyotiraditya Sindhu also informed the country has registered a tremendous growth in steel corporation. President Murmu today released the manual of the Panchayat Extension to Scheduled Areas PESA Act issued by Madhya Pradesh government. It was released at a state-level travel pride function. Speaking on the occasion, President Murmu hoped that these rules would help the travel improvement of the travels. President Murmu and Prime Minister Modi also greeted to the people on the birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. The Prime Minister Modi said that Bhagwan Birsa Munda was not just a hero of freedom struggle, but was the carrier of country's spiritual and energy. In the Asian Airgun Championship, India won 4 more gold medals. Shiva Nagrawal won the men's 10-meter airgun championship, while Sagvit Gandhi picked up the juniors main gold. That's all in the evening news. Thank you. Stay safe. Good night.